So myself Arul Salam, Assistant Professor from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So now I am going to present a video about what is virtualization in cloud computing. So virtualization is a technology that creates virtual environments from a single physical machine. It is the process of creating a virtual representation of hardware such as server, storage, network or other physical machines. It allows multiple virtual machines to run on one physical machine. Each virtual machine has its own operating system and programs. So next we'll see why virtualization is important. It helps to get the most out of your computer or server resources. Think of it as using one physical machine as many smaller independent virtual boxes. Each virtual box has its own program to run and data to store but uses the same physical box. It is a key component for providing infrastructure as a service in cloud computing. How does virtualization work? Virtualization uses special software called a hypervisor. The hypervisor creates multiple virtual computers on one physical computer. The virtual machines behave like actual computers but use the same physical machine. The actual physical computer is the host and the virtual computers are guests. You can have several guests on a single host. A hypervisor is a software that makes virtualization work. It serves as an intermediary between physical computer and the virtual machines. The hypervisor controls the virtual machine's use of physical resources of the host computer. There are two categories, type 1 hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor, also known as bare metal, installed directly into hardware without an operating system in between, highly efficient with direct access. Type 2 hypervisor runs over on installed operating system like Windows or Mac OS, used when you need to run multiple OS on one machine. Next, if you see the types of virtualization, there are various types, that is application virtualization, network virtualization, desktop virtualization, storage virtualization, server virtualization, and data virtualization. We are going to see it. Application virtualization, this types allows remote access. Users can interact with deployed applications without installing them on their local machine. Your personal data and application settings are stored on the server, but you can still run it locally through the internet. It is useful if you need to work with multiple versions of the same software. Common examples include hosted or packaged apps. Example, Microsoft Azure allows people to use applications set up in the cloud from any device like a laptop or tablet without putting them on their own computers. Next, if you see what is network virtualization, this allows multiple virtual networks to run on the same physical network. Each virtual network operates independently. You can easily set up virtual switches, routers, firewalls, and VPNs. This makes network management more flexible and efficient. Example, Google Cloud is an example where companies create their own networks using software instead of physical devices. They can also set up things like IP address, firewalls, and private connections in the cloud, etc. Next, if you'll see what is desktop virtualization, this process allows the creation of different virtual desktops that users can access from any device such as laptop or tablet. It is beneficial for users needing flexibility as it simplifies software updates and provides portability. Example, Geek for Geeks, an EdTech company, uses services like Amazon Workspace or Google Cloud virtual desktops to give team members access to the same coding setup and tools. Next, if you see what is storage virtualization, this combines storage from different servers into a single system for easier management. It ensures smooth performance and efficient operations even if the underlying hardware changes or fails. Example, Amazon S3 is an example because it allows storing any amount of data from anywhere easily. Next, if you see what is server virtualization, this splits a physical server into multiple virtual servers. Each virtual server functions independently. It helps improve performance, cut cost, and simplifies tasks like server migration and energy management. It is the most important part of cloud computing. Example, a startup with a powerful physical server can use server virtualization software like VMware, vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V or AVM to create multiple virtual machines on that server. Next, if you see what is data virtualization, this brings data from different sources together in one place without needing to know where or how it is stored. It creates a unified view of the data. The data can be accessed remotely through cloud services. It works by running queries across various data sources and pulling the results together in memory. It adds a layer that hides storage details to simplify things. Example, companies like Oracle and IBM offer solutions for this. Next, if we see the benefits of virtualization, that is first one is better use of resources. And next one is cost utilization, that is save money on hardware, power and maintenance. Next one is flexibility. Virtual machines can be easily installed, relocated and resized. Next one, security, that is isolates applications or systems, preventing issues in one from affecting others. Simple recovery, that is easy to backup or restore virtual machines. Also offers enhanced development productivity, remote access, rapid scalability, high availability, disaster recovery, pay-per-use, and enables running multiple operating systems. Next, if you see some of the drawbacks of virtualization, high initial investment, that is clouds can have a very high initial investment, although they can reduce long-term cost. Learning new infrastructure, that is requires high skilled staff or training for current staff to work with the cloud easily. And next one is risk of data. Hosting data on third-party sources can put data at risk of attack. Thank you.